Hi friends, my name's Rebecca and today you're in for another self-help and therapy session. In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 things that you need to be doing if you have anxiety, and it doesn't involve talking or seeing a therapist. Although you probably should. And you're probably going to hate it. You're probably going to say, ugh, boo, Rebecca. We already heard this, or I don't want to do this. But you're going to have to do it. And I'm here to help you because I love you. Alright, let's get into it. Let's talk, because I feel like we need to talk. And I don't have a journal. Oh, stop messing about and just get a journal, okay? Gotta write it down. When you write it down, you remember it. You can keep track of what last happened to you. Write it down. If you're wondering what I'm using, this is in shade, I'm a light medium. If you're wondering, when you're journaling, I want you to write down who was there, where were you, what were you eating, what were you drinking, who, what, where, when, what did you smell, what did you hear, what did you see, smell perfume, were you eating spaghetti, mom spaghetti. So anyways, that's the first thing you need to do. Get a freaking journal, write it down. I'm not saying to write like a paragraph, write enough to where you feel like you got today down. Today was bad. That'll work for the first few times. Then you have to start writing. I went to my mom's house, slept in my grandma's room, and I was looking at her vanity, and it made me think of her and made me sad, based on a true story. Okay, let's go to 2. Shane Dawson, Jeffree Star. I already feel it. I already feel the hate in the comments. Ugh, I don't care. Look, it's gorgeous. The second thing you need to be doing if you have anxiety is get a meditation app. Meditation app is great. If you're not practicing your breathing on a daily basis and you have anxiety, you're not helping yourself, are you? You have anxiety. There are times where you're not just breathing correctly. You're hyperventilating, or you're holding your breath too long, or just constantly sighing. Well, help yourself and practice breathing exercises, and you can find them on these cute little apps. Let me just pull it up real quick. I really like this one. I've actually had it for a year now. It's called Mental Health. Legit. It has programs, courses, sleep sounds. I don't have trouble sleeping like that, but people, or if you need to like relax and just tune into something calming, boom, just some white noise that can help you. All right, here's the breathing. Here's the one I use. Look at that. First one, anxiety. Let's start.
Take a deep breath.
Let's go together.
Exhale. Once again. Inhale.
Feel that
Exhale.
belly.
And again.
Envy, fear, anger, that one. Definitely put that one on a lot. Download an app. I've been trying to learn how to meditate for, since the pandemic. You should really explore what you think would be good for you. I'm gonna do basic girl. I'm gonna be a basic girl. I don't know. Do I want to do a matte? I love this color. My pills. I'm trying to do this quick, guys. Only on 2. Oh my gosh. So meditate, breathing exercises. So you're filling up your lungs, you're filling up your belly with air, and then you slowly breathe it out. That's all you think about. That's like the goal. Just focusing on your breath. Don't think about anything else. And it sounds hard because it is, or it sounds stupid, but it's really hard. I would definitely advise practicing this. After trying to calm the person down in a crisis hotline, you tell them to download this app so they have a plan for the next time they have an anxiety. And that leads us into step 3. The third thing you need to be doing if you have anxiety. Make a plan for the next time you have anxiety. What's that look like? I saw this recently where the next time I have a hangover, I heard that dunking your head in ice cold water, like water with ice in it, dunk your head in there a couple times and it'll hopefully get rid of your headache. I'm definitely gonna try that. I'll let you know if it works. But anyways, there's a plan involved. I'm going to plan this. I know that the next time I have a hangover, I am willing to do that. But a lot of people, they go for a walk, listen to music, sing, dance, do something to totally misdirect your anxiety. Classic misdirection. And I'm not saying this to avoid your anxiety, but I'm telling you this so you can make a plan, so you can breathe it out, get everything, just know what to do when you are in the state that you feel like you can't escape, because I know what that feels like, and you can't stop thinking about it. It just circles and circles in your head. Make a plan, make it stop. Don't keep circling your thoughts. Not getting you anywhere. I mean, I know what it feels like. I'd circle my thoughts for days over assignments for school, and I would dwell on them for days and do nothing because I just had so much anxiety about it. It used to be really bad. So I changed my mind. I want to use this one because I'm playing it safe today. I'm gonna do my go-to. So anyways, have a plan. What's your plan gonna look like? Talk to me. Leave it in the comments. Tell me what your plan is. Huh? What's your plan the next time you have an anxiety attack? Picking up a book? You gonna play some music? You gonna go take a walk? You gonna call your best friend? You gonna call your mom? Cousin? Who are you going to call? That brings me to my fourth one. I'm getting ahead of myself. But it's all coming together. Have a journal. Write it down. Right? And then you're going to maybe pick up your phone, put on the meditation app. Boom. That's a plan, and a decent one at that. So what's stopping you? But you can do it. Start making a plan. Your plan slowly gets better every time you're working on it. Like these videos, I hope they're slowly getting better. I'm trying to help you here, and I'm trying to help myself too, because Lord knows I'm still dealing with a lot of stuff. And I just want to help you too. Doing makeup at the same time because it makes me feel pretty, and I hope you feel pretty too. Today, do you feel pretty today? Let me know down in the comments. You know what time it is, right? Eyeliner time. Let's go. This type. Oh yeah. NYX liner. Felt tip, girl. Boy. Ooh. This is my grandma's mirror. Fourth thing you need to be doing if you have anxiety is having a faithful friend. Your friend can be your mom, dad, sister, brother, relative, work friend that you can reach out to when you're not feeling good. Or also you can contact the crisis line that I used to volunteer for. There's a crisis line. It's 741-741. Look it up. There's lots of actual hotlines. I'm gonna list them in the description below. I'm gonna look up some and make that part of your plan. Make it plan C. The song isn't working. The meditation app isn't working. Well, now you need to call somebody, right? So let's call somebody. Don't worry about bothering people. If you're in trouble, ask for help. Gosh, please, if you are just struggling, ask for help from somebody. Call a hotline and they can help you make a plan for the next time you are struggling with your anxiety or anything, any kind of problems that you may be having. How are we thinking about these wings? Are they big enough? Oh, back up. I hope I made a point about just calling somebody. We're gonna have a list. You watch. There'll be a list. Oh, mascara. Has anyone done their lashes before? Wow. I did it and I plucked them out within a week, because they were bothering me when I was sleeping. I think that's normal though. Ooh, number 5. Number 5 is come to the realization that you're gonna have to break up with some people. You're gonna have to get a new job. You're going to have to change the scene. Change that fucking scene. You gotta do it. You gotta get out of this circle that you're in. Like, a lot of people have anxiety because they don't change the cycle thing that's driving you crazy, and you just sit there in it and just think, oh, it'll go away eventually. It's not. You gotta go away. It's not going away, hun. So just do something about it, okay? Cut that person off, get that new job, even if it pays less. Just do something different to where you feel excited again, and get that journal ASAP. Please write down things that you plan on doing or things that happened that day. And I hope this is helping somebody, because you're not alone, and that's why I'm doing this. I want people to know that there's help. You just gotta come to that realization though. It's really hard. I get it. Like, oh, I gotta stop partying and go to my classes. All in all, get a journal, get a meditation app. If you're gonna pay for something, pay for Calm. That is literally the #1. If that doesn't work, make a plan. You're gonna dance, sing, walk, run, draw, paint. What are you gonna do? If that doesn't work, who are you gonna call? Mom, sister, friend, work buddy, neighbor. Somebody that will help you, because that's what we want to do. We're naturally prone to wanting to help people. Naturally. And then there's, you know, those freakazoids where they're just like ugly people and they don't want to help people. Just come to the realization yourself. Hopefully you can do this sooner rather than later that you're gonna have to get rid of some of your friends that you think are friends, but they're not. They're not doing you any justice, serving you in any way. I need a wig. Is this cute? Just leave today having a plan of what you're gonna do next. I hope this helps. You have a good rest of your day. Make better choices, make better plans, slowly get better every day. Just inch and inch, and you'll get there. See you in the next video. Thanks, bye.